Hi friends, welcome to Goal UPSC channel. In this video, we will start the third chapter of the Geography NCERT 6th class, that is the motions of the earth. In this, there are the two types of motions, that is the rotation and revolution. If you come to the rotation is the movement of the earth on its own axis. Axis means it is an imaginary line which connects the North Pole and South Pole. You already seen it. Second chapter of the 6th class geography. And then revolution means movement of the earth around the sun or in an orbital plane. You already seen it in the first chapter. Next, axis of the earth. Actually, earth is tilted towards the eastwards around 23.5 degree angle. Hence, axis of the earth makes 66.5 degree angle with the orbital plane. Next, the portion of the earth which is facing towards the sun, which experience day, and which is away from the sun, it experience night. There was one circle which divides the day and night. That circle is called as circle of illumination on the earth. Next, earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis, and then the period of rotation is called as earth day. That is daily motion of the earth. Earth day means daily motion of the earth. Next, second motion is revolution. Revolution took 365 1/4 days, that is 1 year, to revolve around the sun. Here 1/4 days, that is 6 hours. Every year 6 hours is saved, and then these 6 hours for every 4th year combined and make a one extra day, that is the leap year, that is February 29. Or a span of 4 years. Here 6 hours saved every year are added to make a one day, and then over a span of 4 years. After 4 years we have one day. After 4 years we have extra one day. That is we named as a leap year. That is February 29. Next, this surface day is added to the February for every 4 years. Hence, we have 366 days in leap year and 365 days in normal year. Next, the earth is revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Hence, here one revolution took 365 days. That is called as year. We divide year into 3 seasons, actually 4 seasons, that is summer, winter, spring, and autumn. These seasons changes in a year. In a year we have a different seasons, that is 4 seasons. These are changing in a year due to the position of the earth is changes with respect to the sun. That is, the earth is revolving around the sun. That's why we have seasons, that is summer, winter, spring, autumn. Here if you come to this diagram, here we have 4 positions of the earth with respect to the sun, that is 21st March, and then 21st June, 23rd September, December 22nd. Here next, if you see the first, we come to the 21st June. Here earth is tilted. That's why the earth position in the northern hemisphere is in the direction of the sun, that is it is towards the sun, and then southern hemisphere is away from the sun. That's why there was a summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere. This is called as summer solstice. That summer solstice, that is longest day in the northern hemisphere and then shortest day in the southern hemisphere. Next, perihelion. We already seen that perihelion is the nearest to the sun, that is the July 4th. Next, Andaman. Here we come this position again. Let's wait for a while and then we come to the December 22nd. If earth revolve and come to the position of the December 22nd, here what happens? The southern hemisphere is towards the sun and the northern hemisphere is away from the sun. In this, we have winter in the northern hemisphere and summer in the southern hemisphere. Hence, it is called as winter solstice. In this, there was a long days in the southern hemisphere and short days in the northern hemisphere. Next, if you come to the position of the 21st March and the 23rd September, these two positions are called as equinox, but it called as on 21st March it is called as spring equinox, on 23rd September it is called as autumn equinox. And then we have in this position we have the throughout the earth we have equal day and night due to the sun rays are fall on the equator. Hence we have equal temperatures throughout the sun. That is the spring and autumn. This is the normal temperatures in this period. That is, it happens on the 21st March and 23rd September. Next, here I forgot one point to tell you, that is in the 21st June the sun rays of the sun fall on the earth or at Tropic of Cancer on 21st June, and then in December 22 the sun rays fall on the Tropic of Capricorn. That is about that figure. And then we come to the summer solstice. Summer solstice is occur on 21st June, that is in the northern hemisphere is towards the sun, and then sunrise directly falls on the Tropic of Cancer and receives more temperature. Hence, northern hemisphere experience summer. The areas near the poles receives less heat due to the rays are slanting. Due to the curvy nature of the earth, we have the sun rays are falling on the earth and near the poles with the slanting. Hence, the areas near the pole experiences less temperature. But here, if you come to the summer solstice, the Arctic Circle experience continuous day and daylight for 6 months. Arctic Circle, which is towards the sun. Antarctic Circle is in the southern hemisphere. Arctic Circle is in the northern hemisphere. Arctic Circle experiences throughout the Arctic Circle experiences continuous day and light for about 6 months, especially North Pole for 6 months. And then we have longest day and shortest nights at these places occur on 21st June. In these places, that is in the northern hemisphere, especially near the poles, we have the longest day and the shortest night. And then next, Winter solstice. Winter solstice occur on 22nd December. The tropic of Cancer receives direct rays of the sun. Hence, due to the south pole is tilted towards the sun. Next, in this we have summer in the southern hemisphere with longer days and shorter nights, and then exactly reverse will be happen in this. In the we saw that northern hemisphere experience day and light in on June 21st. That will exactly reverse will happen in the southern hemisphere on 22nd December. Here we noted one point, that is the Christmas. Christmas is celebrated in summer season in Australia. Next, about equinox. Equinox, which will happen on 21st March and September 23rd. In this, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator. In this position, neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun. That is, it is in the middle position. So, whole earth receives equal day and nights. Hence, it is called as equinox. We have on 23rd September, we have autumn season on northern hemisphere, spring season on the southern hemisphere. On 21st March, we have autumn season on southern hemisphere, spring season on the northern hemisphere. Finally, the days and nights are changes in the seasons because of revolution and rotation of the earth. Hence, with this I conclude the chapter. Thank you for watching. Bye. Let's come.